Welcome to my channel How To. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to clear a search history in YouTube app. So let's start. First of all, open your YouTube app. So what is search history? Whenever you type or search anything in your YouTube app, that is stored as search history. Now tap on search icon. Here you can see clear search history on YouTube app. This is previous term that I have searched on YouTube app. That's why it is seen here. So this is called as YouTube search history. So if you want to clear the search history in YouTube app, you have to follow this step. So let's start how to clear a search history in YouTube app. First of all, tap on your profile icon. Then scroll down and tap on settings icon. Then tap on history and privacy. Here, here you can see clear search history. It clears searches made with this account from all the devices. So to clear search history, tap on clear search history. It will ask you for the confirmation. So tap on clear search history. And here you can see the search history is cleared. Now again go to your YouTube homepage and tap on search. And here you can see whatever my previous search terms, all the search terms are cleared. Due to what? We have already cleared our search history. So in this way, we can clear a search history in YouTube app. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.